I don't know how to bake, but after watching a couple of recipes on YouTube and on here, I have finally decided to give this cake a try, and I'm hoping it goes well. I have already started preheating my air fryer, and I'm also going to try this blender method. I'll go in first with my oil, vegetable oil. 2 eggs, so this is 1, 2. I decided to go with 3 eggs instead. I'm going to add some brown sugar. I'm going to add some more brown sugar. Sorry, there are no measurements yet. We are just trying it out, and then later we measure it. A bit of fine white sugar. Then goes in my baking powder. A considerable amount of cinnamon powder. Can you guess already in the comments what we are trying to bake? What we are about to bake? Some vanilla sugar or flavor. And by the way, I've been meaning to try this blender hack for baking for some time now. So let's see how it goes. Now let's get blending. This is how our mixture is looking now. I forgot to add salt, so I'm going to add it now. Just a tiny bit of salt. I decided to also go in with my milk now, just to make the mixture easy to blend. Why am I doing this experiment in large quantities? Now I'm going to divide this into 2 because I'm going to make 2 batches of cake. Can you still tell what we are baking or not yet? So now I go in with my freshly grated carrot. I guess by now you know what we are making. Okay. I'm going to give it a quick mix. Some walnuts. And I sift my flour. Gently fold it in. We are ready to go. Thank you. Inside our air fryer. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Is it ready? Is it ready? Maybe I'm waiting for this thing to have my breakfast though. moment of truth. I don't. Very moist. Very moist.
Come on, Maka, the cake is ready. Everybody bring your plates, fork, knife, and bring your plates, fork, and knife. All of you must have a bite. This is carrot cake.
Sorry. Let's try our carrot cake, freshly baked from the oven. Very moist. Smells good. What would you pair this with? What would you pair this carrot cake with? I am having it for breakfast. And I think it would go very well with some chilled juice. On that note, have a lovely weekend. No, have a lovely week. And stay blessed.